The backyard of our project house is an open, flat canvas with lots of shade and a little bit of sun. Kysha homeschools her children, so they want to turn it into an outdoor learning space, a natural setting for exploring, learning, and playing. I'm going to meet the family at a local school with outdoor classrooms so we can walk around and get some ideas for their own backyard.
Hey guys, I made it!
Oh, hey,
Jen, how are you?
Welcome. I'm so glad you could make it. So this is school I went to many years ago and got inspired, and I'm so glad to be back here, and hopefully we'll be able to bring some of this inspiration to our home. Let's go visit the garden. So this is their garden, and this is their gardener, Mayuki. Hi, Mayuki. How are you?
Kysha. Good. How are you?
Good to see you again.
Hi, Mayuki.
Hi, Jen. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Come
to
and
meet you
take a
too.
look at our school chickens.
How old are the chicks?
Chicks are about a month old. Yeah, we love having school chickens because it gives a feel of an urban farm, and it allows the students an opportunity to observe their growth from an egg to a grown hen.
We should consider chickens or maybe even rabbits in the backyard.
We have honeybees here, composting system, and in here we keep earthworms, and the vegetable garden beds are over here.
Wow, look how lush these are.
Yeah.
I see some okra in the middle.
Do you guys see any? Do you notice anything?
Zucchini.
Zucchini?
Yeah.
Yep,
There's
there's
a
zucchini
baby.
flowers in
Really
there.
beautiful.
Wouldn't it be great to grow things you could eat in your backyard?
The intention behind the gardening program is to provide the students an opportunity to experience firsthand and also have appreciation that humans are part of the whole web of life.
Wow, that was such a cool tour of that garden. Was that so neat? Why don't you guys go take a seat on that log over there? It's a great place to have a snack.
Good idea.
This is so cool. So this is one of the outdoor classrooms that really inspired me.
I can see why.
Yeah, to bring our school outside.
Right, we could, I mean, this is a larger space than, of course, we could have
Of
at your
course,
place,
of
but
course,
if
but-
we pull ideas from each of the
Yeah.
stations we've been to,
It's a lot of great ideas,
lots of ideas to take back. Let's try and implement some of them.
a lot of inspiration.
Snack log, I mean, even this, I've seen this before, desk during this moment, but wait a second, here's a seat. So
yeah.
something multifunctional, something that's gonna just, so you could use your space in two
Yeah.
different ways.
And keep it outside. This is all great.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.